Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. We're on the brink of the Google Pixel 9 series launch on August 13th, and as usual, the internet is ablaze with leaks and rumors. Almost every detail about these phones has been spilled, except for the price, until now. A recent Reddit post unveiled the pricing for the Pixel 9 Pro and its larger sibling, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro is set to carry the same price tag as its predecessor, starting at $999. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, a true upgrade over the Pixel 8 Pro, is expected to command a hefty $1,199 price. This is a bold move by Google, especially considering the fierce competition and rising consumer expectations in the smartphone market. While the higher price reflects the enhanced features and specifications, it also signals a strategic shift for Google. The Pixel series has long been positioned as the affordable flagship alternative, offering premium features without the premium price. But with the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, Google seems to be aligning itself with the high-end pricing strategy of competitors like Apple and Samsung. The Pixel 9 Pro series introduces two distinct models catering to different user preferences. The Pixel 9 Pro, with its compact 6.3-inch screen, targets users seeking a portable device. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, boasting a larger 6.8-inch display, is designed for those who prioritize screen real estate for media consumption, gaming, or productivity. Storage capacity also differentiates the two models. The Pixel 9 Pro XL starts at 256 GB, a significant upgrade from the 128 standard in previous Pixel phones. This addresses the growing demand for ample storage in today's app-heavy world. Both models are expected to feature the new Tensor G4 chipset, additional RAM, and improved camera hardware, promising enhanced performance, smoother multitasking, and superior photography. However, the question remains, are these upgrades substantial enough to warrant the $200 price jump for the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Google is heavily banking on artificial intelligence to justify the higher prices. The new Pixels are expected to leverage advanced machine learning and AI-driven features. But will these AI features be groundbreaking enough to convince consumers to pay more? While Google's AI initiatives are impressive, they are not unique. Competitors like Samsung and Apple are also investing heavily in AI, and their flagship devices already offer a range of AI-powered functionalities. Ultimately, consumers prioritize tangible improvements like better battery life, camera performance, and design over AI features that might not have an immediate impact on their daily lives. If the Pixel 9 Pro series fails to deliver significant advancements in these areas, it could struggle to attract buyers, especially at the new price points. Google is also changing its pre-order strategy. Instead of physical gifts like earbuds or smartwatches, early adopters might receive 12 months of Google One Premium. While this digital perk appeals to heavy Google service users, it might not generate the same excitement as tangible rewards. The Pixel 9 series is set to launch on August 13th, with pre-orders likely opening around the same time. Leaks suggest Google might offer free storage upgrades during the pre-order period, allowing customers to get the 512GB model at the price of the 256GB model. This could be an attractive offer for storage-hungry users. Google's decision to raise prices is a calculated risk. The Pixel 9 series is entering a highly competitive market with numerous options offering similar or better features at competitive prices. Differentiating the Pixel 9 Pro series from rivals is crucial. While the Pixel brand is known for its camera capabilities and clean Android experience, these factors alone might not justify the higher prices. The camera setup in the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be similar to its predecessor, with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48 to ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. However, the front-facing camera is rumored to receive a significant upgrade, increasing from 10.5 megapixels to 42 megapixels. Interestingly, there are speculations about regional pricing differences. While the $200 price increase might be consistent, Google could offer region-specific incentives or discounts to soften the impact. Ultimately, Google might be overestimating the appeal of AI and digital perks as justifications for the higher prices. Many users prioritize tangible upgrades over AI features. Google's new pricing strategy could either solidify its position in the high-end smartphone market or alienate a significant portion of its customer base. Stay tuned for our in-depth review of the Google Pixel 9 series after its launch. See you in the next video.